welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are making something delicious, guys. It's one of the most popular street food all over in India, all over in world. The name of the street food is shawarma. I love shawarmas because it's stuffed with so many delicious things. Like you can stuff with anything like fish, meat, or veggies who are vegan shawarmas or cheese, like any kind of products you can stuff with that, and it's so good. And guys, the thing is that shawarma is originated from Ottoman Empire. You can also Google it, and I will pop it on the screen for you guys. And the main city is it's Turkey's staple food. It's mainly stuffed with goodnesses, guys, in the shawarma. And shawarma is like shawarma in other name in Arabic is called shawarma, which I will again pop it for you guys on the screen. So let's get in the kitchen and see how it's made.
Step 1. So for the ingredients, we will take 2 tablespoons of hung yogurt, then 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, then 4 tablespoons of olive oil or like any cooking oil you want to add. Salt to taste. One teaspoon of coriander powder. One teaspoon of cumin powder. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of shawarma masala. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can, if you don't have lemon juice, you can add vinegar also. So here I have 450 gram of chicken strips, or you can like use whole chicken also, like whole chicken breast. Now we have to mix this very well till all the masalas are well incorporated into the chicken. And now you have to refrigerate it 4 to 3 hours. Now we will fry this on a medium heat in a grill pan, or like if you have any normal pan, non-stick pan, you can add, like you can cook this. Step 2. 2 medium bowl. In one, we'll add 1 cup of hung yogurt, half cup of finely chopped cucumber, 1 crushed garlic cloves, half teaspoon of chopped mint leaves, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. So now mix this very well with all the ingredients should be well incorporated inside. Now we will garnish this with finely chopped cucumber over it. So in another bowl, we will add 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of sriracha hot sauce, or any hot sauce you want to add. It can be Tabasco, it can be anything. We will give a good mix to it. Step 3. So here I have 375 gram of all-purpose flour, then 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, then salt to taste, sugar as your taste, or 1 teaspoon of sugar, then 2 tablespoon of or teaspoon of cooking oil, and now mix this, whisk this very well. When all the wet and the dry ingredients mix up, basically it's dry only. And now we will add 315 ml of warm water, or you can use hot water. It will be good, more good for that. So after mixing we will knit this for 5 minutes and cover this with a cellophane paper. You can do one thing, you can keep this in a preheated microwave or a OTG or like any oven because it will help you to rise up very quickly. And let it sit in a microwave or a OTG until it double in size. It's double in size, and now we will again knead it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and now we will make out the 4 bowls, and now we will roll out one of the bread and just fry this without any oil in a non-stick pan. And now we will assemble all the ingredients one by one in this bread. So first we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of spicy mayonnaise. Then we will spread with a spoon or a knife like this evenly. Now we will add iceberg lettuce over it. Do not make sure that you do not add too much because it can be difficult to wrap up later on. Then we will cut this jalapenos. If you do not have jalapenos, you can use vinegar chili also. So now we will cut jalapenos into thinly sliced. Now we will add thinly sliced onion over the bread. Cover it with thinly sliced tomato. Then semicircle cucumber, like any cucumber you can add, like thinly sliced. I just cut this into semicircle, it looks good, that's why. Then we will add a few amount of jalapenos which we cut into thinly sliced. Last not the least, we will cover this with preheated chicken again, the sliced chicken that we made over it. A good amount, you have to give this a good amount over it. This is the main ingredient of the shawarma, guys. You can it can be replaced with anything. You can put grilled fish, you can add any vegetables or vegan shawarmas. So now we will add the teriyaki sauce over it that we made with cucumber. Over it is the last option. If you can add also with hot sauce over it. So now my grilled chicken shawarma is ready, guys. So you can serve this hot, and it's so tasty and so good, guys. Enjoy.